Okay, it's not here yet. It's in development, but the development channel has gotten a video snipping tool. Now, if you hit the regular print screen, you'll probably see us pop up like this for regular snipping tool, and there's no mention of video here, even if you're on Windows 7 Insider. All you get is a regular clip. So if you go out to the store to try and find it and come in here, it looks like it's there, it's installed, everything's cool, because if you're on the version that has it, it's available to you. And then it says here open, okay? But it's not quite there. So let's go take a look in the library. So you go to the library and you click there on library and you get a list of all the things and you say get updates. And it may show it already installed. It may not. It's near the bottom here and it says it's already there. Even if I do a refresh, it doesn't install. But here it is down here. Now if I go over here and click on open, you'll see that a different snipping tool appears with the video capability. But it's still, if you hit print screen, it doesn't do it. Now, even if I reboot after reassigning the print screen key, it does not bring up this version. Okay, it brings up the regular old snipping tool without the video capability. Before we get into how you invoke it, let's see if you like what it does, what the features are. You just launch it. You come over here and you press on the video button, and then you can click on the new button over here, and there you go, draw a shape. So you drag a shape, and you say start, and you're off and running. You can do whatever you want in here, run around, do all that stuff, and then you can go ahead, once you're done playing around with whatever you're doing, and you can go ahead and stop your recording, and there you are, there's the recording, we play it back, and there we see it recorded. Then, of course, you can save that to a file and use it somewhere, wherever you wanted to use it at. Now, once you start it and you say new, you can drag anywhere like I talked about, but you can also, that's not final, you can also adjust it. You can drag on these little white tags here and adjust it to whatever size you want, including your complete screen. So you just drag them to wherever you want them. Oh, you can redo it again and drag them wherever you want, and eventually get the space you want, and then you hit the start button and start doing your recording. Right now, print screen still brings up the old tool, but there is a fix for it. You should be able to go back to the store, go over here and click on pin to taskbar, and now it'll be assigned to your taskbar. So then once you click on that, you'll see it down here in the taskbar right there. So if you need to use it, you just click here, and at least it's just a click away. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description of this video.